Welcome to another video. Now let's look at this integral. Okay, so we have 5 sine to the power of 4x cos x dx. Okay, all right. Now what we know from here is that when we differentiate sine, we get cos. So this one is a typical integration by substitution. All right. Okay, so we can write this one as integral. So we have 5 sine. So this one is the same as sine x to the power 4. Okay, cos x dx. Okay, so let's take sine out here. So let u be sine x. Okay, so it will make this side will be 5. So u is sine to the power 4, and we left with cos x dx. So times cos x dx. Okay, so since we are dealing in terms of u, let's get rid of this. All right, so from here my du will be, so derivative of sine is cos x dx, cos x dx, cos x dx. So we have integral of 5 u to the power 4. Okay, so cos x dx is now du. Simple as that. So we have du. Okay, so we can now do the integration. Okay, so we add to the power and divide by total 5u, okay, on 5 plus c. So this side will cancel. That will be u to the power 5 plus c. Now let's go back. U is sine x. So u is sine x. So we have sine x plus c, which is the same as sine, okay, the perfect x plus c. Okay, so this whole integral, okay, is the same as sine the fifth, okay, x dx. All right, so that's that.